Good morning, class 10th. How you all are? Hope you all are well. In the previous class, we had started chapter 7, The Necklace. We had seen that it is story of a couple. One is Matilda and Mr. Loisel. You know? And Matilda was one such woman who was always unhappy. So her husband brought him an invitation for a ball, a minister's party. He thought that she might be happy, but she was not. The reason was that she was not having a beautiful gown, beautiful dress. His husband had gave the entire savings to purchase her a new dress. She purchased, but still unhappy. This time the reason was lack of jewels. So she went to one of her friends and she borrowed it. Now she is happy. And now we will continue our story from page number 44. Sorry, 42. She fell upon the neck of her friend, embraced her with passion, then went away with her treasure. Treasure means that diamond necklace. The day of ball arrived. Ma'am Loisel was a great success. She was prettiest of all, elegant, gracious. These words are used to express that how beautiful Matilda was looking at that day. Smiling and full of joy. All the men noticed her, asked her name, and wanted to be presented. So, as Matilda's long awaited dream was to be look very beautiful, have beautiful jewelries, to be in such a position that she feels that she is very famous, she is adorned, and here in the ball party it was happening. So, now she was very happy. She danced with enthusiasm, intoxicated with pleasure, thinking of nothing but all his admiration. This victory so complete and sweet of her heart. So now she is very happy. She went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. Her husband had been half asleep in one of little saloon since midnight, with three other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying themselves very much. So as Matilda was very much enjoying that day, so almost it was in the morning 4 when they reached the house. Although Matilda was enjoying that party, his husband, who was a simple man, he was just sitting there in a corner and he was sleeping there because he was not one person who loved this kind of functions. It shows his simplicity. He threw around her shoulder the modest wrap they had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of ball costume. She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women who were wrapping themselves in rich fur. So, again in this paragraph, you can see the different behavior of the husband and wife. Husband was thinking that it was clash, means this party is a clash with their poverty, means in their house they used to live in a very simple life, they don't waste any money, but in this party they were wearing very beautiful dress, they were eating the very lavish food. So the husband was thinking, comparing his house and this party. And here in this paragraph, his wife Matilda, what she was doing, she was trying to move in a corner and she was wanted to be unnoticed now, because normally जब सब जाने लगे थे तो the fur word is used for the woolen clothes. तो जो बाकी ladies थे, they were wearing their rich woolen clothes, but Matilda was not having. So again somewhat she is unhappy and she wanted to hide herself. Loisel detained her. Wait, said he, I am going to call a cab. But she would not listen and descended the steps rapidly. When they were in the street, they found no carriage. They began to seek for one. Hailing the coachman whom they saw at a distance. They walked along toward the river, hopeless, shivering. Finally, they found one of those old carriages that one sees in Paris after nightfall. So Matilda wanted कि वो जल्द से जल्द वहाँ से निकल जाए, कि कोई ये चीज़ नोटिस ना करे कि that she is not having rich fur and her own vehicle, four-wheeler. So that was the reason they had not called for a cab, but they started moving in the road. And after that, what happened? She went there, and finally, with great difficulty, they got a carriage because it was almost midnight. उनको गाड़ी भी नहीं मिल रहा था, but finally they got a carriage. It took them as far as their door. They went wearily up to their apartment. It was all over for her, and on his part, he remembered that he would have to be at office by 10 o'clock. She removed the wraps from her shoulder before the glass for a final view of herself in the glory. Suddenly she uttered a cry. Her necklace was not around her neck. So when finally they reached to the home, means the husband was thinking that it was almost midday, and the same morning by 10 o'clock he had to report to office. That he was thinking. But Matilda, she wanted to once again have that beautiful look with beautiful dress and that beautiful necklace. So she went in front of the mirror and she started crying. The reason was that she was crying, the necklace was not in her neck, it was missing. Loisel, already half undressed, asked, "What is the matter?" She turned towards him excitedly. I no longer have Ma'am Foster's necklace. So when the Matilda started crying, husband came and he inquired that what was the reason. At that time, Matilda said that now she is not having the necklace which she borrowed from one of her friend. He arose in dismay. What? How is that? It is not possible. And they looked it in the folds of dress, in the folds of cloak, in the pockets everywhere. They could not find it. He asked, "You are sure you still had it when we left the minister's house?" "Yes, I felt as we came out. But if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. It must be in the cab." "Yes, it is possible. Did you take the number?" "No." "And you? Did you notice what it was?" "No." They looked each other, utterly cast down. Finally, Loisel dressed himself again. So what happened? Normally it happens with everyone. जब भी हमारा कुछ सामान घूमता है, we check in each folds of the dress, in the pockets, in the bag, in each possible corner. ऐसे ये couple ने किया, and now they were thinking of the alternatives. Alternatives means ये necklace कहाँ घूम सकता है? It might be on the street, but if it is in the street, when the sound will come, when the necklace will fall. But probably they had heard no sound. So it was least possible. Second possibility was that it might be in that carriage, but they have no number, no idea that whose carriage it was in which they came to the home. So again, Laurel, he just dressed up, and the reason he dressed up, he just wanted to check the way that whether the diamond necklace is there. "I am going," he said, "over the track where we went on foot to see if I can find it." Track means here road. And he went. She remained in her evening gown, not having the force to go to bed. Towards 7 o'clock her husband returned. He had found nothing. He had found nothing. So with great difficulty, his husband started searching it in the track, in the road. He was not able to find, and by morning 7 he came, and he had nothing in his hand. He went to the police and to the cab office and put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. So अब वो सब जगह ढूंढ चुका था, they get the zero result. So what he did next, वो एक पुलिस स्टेशन में जाता है, एक कंप्लेंट लॉन्च करता है that they had lost a diamond necklace. Apart from it, even he had given an advertisement with a reward. With a reward means अगर कोई भी ये नेकलेस मुझे ढूंढ के लेके आता है तो मैं एक रिवॉर्ड उनको दूंगा. She waited all the day in state of bewilderment. It means confused. Before this frightful disaster, Loisel returned in the evening, his face pale. He had discovered nothing. So now Loisel, he was very much in dismay. The reason was that he does not have that much saving. He was a poor man. Moreover, what happened? Some sort of saving he had given it for purchasing the dress, and now it will be very difficult for him to purchase a new necklace. So this was the reason he made all the attempts to get the necklace back. He said, write to your friend that you have broken the clasp. Clasp means जो धागा जिसे ये नेकलेस को बांधते हैं, clasp of the necklace, and that you will have it prepared. That will give us time. She wrote as he dictated. So now the couple planned that they will say that the clasp of the necklace is broken and they need some time to get repaired. And in this time they will arrange for a new necklace, because now they have no possibility of getting the necklace back. She wrote as he dictated. At the end of week, they had lost all hope, and Loisel ordered 5 years declared, we must replace this jewel. In a shop of Palais Royal, they found a chaplet of diamonds, which seemed to them exactly like one they had lost. It was valued at 40,000 francs. They could get it for 36,000. So now you can think the couple's condition. They understood that now it is not possible that they will get the necklace back. So they went to one of the jewelry shop and inquired about that kind of design, and luckily they got. But the price was 40,000 francs. And the shopkeeper, when they requested so much, the shopkeeper agreed to give this necklace at 36,000 francs. 36,000 francs. I hope you remember that when they were going to purchase the dress, Loyal said that he had only 400 francs, and now they wanted 36,000 francs. So definitely it is going to be great difficulty for this couple to arrange the amount for the necklace. When Ma'am Loisel took back the jewels to Loisel possessed 18,000 francs, which his father had left him. He borrowed the rest. He made ruinous promise. Ruinous means not completely true. Took money from ushers, that means money lender, जो पैसा किराए से देते, that too with heavy interest. Depositing on mud and the whole race of lenders. Then he went to get the new necklace, depositing on merchant's counter 36,000 francs. With great difficulty, they both arranged the money. They had borrowed it from the money lender. And जो लॉयर के फादर है, उसने अपने बेटे को 18,000 francs दिया था. Even they used, means now they don't have anything. What all thing was there in the home, they had given it for the necklace. Moreover, even he had arranged for a loan that will stay in his head for a long time. When Ma'am Loisel took back the jewel to Ma'am Foster, the latter said to her in a frigid tone, frigid means rough, "You should have returned them to me sooner, for I might have needed them." So, when which she had given, it means planned to give it to the friend, her friend had given it answer in a very rough tone that she wanted it quickly, है ना, उसको बहुत जल्दी से वो नेकलेस चाहिए था. Ma'am Forster did not open the jewel box as Ma'am Loisel feared she would. That would she think if she should receive the substitution? What should she say? Would she take her for a robber? So here you can see that means when Mathilda she was giving the necklace to her friend, she was scared that if she identifies, guesses that this necklace is a substitute one, but nothing like that happened. It was in the box. She taken the box and kept it in her jewelry box. So this gave some relaxation to Mathilda. Mame Loisel now knew the horrible life of necessity. She did her part, however, completely heroically. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. She would pay it. They sent away the maid, they changed their lodgings, they rented some room in the attic. Means हमने chapter के starting में देखा था that Matilda was one such woman who wanted a luxurious life. But now Matilda understood that they are under huge loans. उनके सर पर बहुत loan है and anyhow they have to pay it off. So what she did, she moved all the maids from the house. Means जो Matilda थी इसको घर का काम करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था because she believed that she is something that belongs to a royal family. But now she had moved all the maids and started working in the home. Earlier it was like that, her small apartment, she feels that it was not that a big house. But now even they had sublet or sub-rented the apartment. That means उस apartment के कुछ कमरे भी उन्होंने किराए से दे दिए थे because they needed money hardly to pay the debts. She learned the odious work of a kitchen. Odious means we can say that monotonous or boring. She washed the dishes, she washed the solid linen, their clothes, dish clothes, which she hung on the line to dry. She took down the refuse to street each morning and brought up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. And clothed like a woman of the people. Clothed like woman of the people means now she started wearing the dress which normal people or normal women's wear. As it was the previous practice that she wanted to wear the beautiful expensive dress. But now it is not like that. She started wearing normal dress. She started doing all kind of work that household works. She went to the grocers, the butchers, the furnitures with her basket on her arm, shopping, handling to the last saw of her miserable money. Means now miserable money means she knows that now they are not a condition to live a lavish life. So now she also started to not spending much. है ना? Everything was in very control. The husband worked evening, putting the books of some merchants in order. Nights he often did copying a 5 saws of page, and this life lasted for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had resorted all. Means we had seen that how Mathilda was working. In the same way, now her husband also started working in the evening. As we know that he was a clerk in education board. In the morning hours, he did that work. In the evening work, he started helping some merchants to complete their books. That means basically accounts में वो help करता था. In this way, with great difficulty, it took 10 years to just pay off all the loans. So you can understand that because of a necklace, the couple had wasted the whole 10 years. Ma'am Loisel seemed old now. She had become strong, hard woman and crude woman of poor household. As in the previous paragraph, when we were discussing about Matilda, we were using word elegant, beautiful, but now it is not like that. She became rough, crude, because now she is doing all household work. Her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, her hands red. She spoke in loud tone and washed the floors with large pails of water. But sometimes, when her husband was at the office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party, of former times, of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. Means now, whenever Matilda used to get time, she used to sit besides or in front of window and she used to think about that party, that ball party in which last time she looked very beautiful. We can see that she was missing those days very badly. One Sunday, as she was talking a walk in Champs Elysees, it is name of a place, to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. It was Ma'am Frostler, still young, still pretty, still attractive. Ma'am Loisel was affected. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly, and now that she had paid, she would tell her all, why not? सो फिर एक दिन ऐसा आता है जब गार्डन में मैथिल्डा जस्ट वॉक करती है। वो उस टाइम अपनी फ्रेंड को देखती है जिससे उसने एक नेकलेस को बोरो किया था, फिर एक नया नेकलेस उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट किया था। एट फर्स्ट शी वॉज नॉट हैविंग अ करेज, बट देन शी थॉट दैट शी शुड स्पीक द ट्रूथ that she had lost her true necklace, original necklace, and then she had replaced that necklace. She approached her. Good morning, Jane. Her friend did not recognize and was astonished to be so familiar, addressed by this common personage. She stammered, but madam, I don't know. You must be mistaken. No, I am Matilda Loisel. Means when Matilda was saying hi, when she was introducing, her friend was not able to understand her. Because 10 years back, Matilda was a very beautiful lady. But now, because she had started doing all the work, because of her tension, she was not looking very attractive. But her friend, she was looking fine. She was still young. Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. Oh my poor Matilda, how you have changed. So her friend was not able to understand that why Matilda had changed in this way. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones, and all because of you. Because of me. How is that? You recall the diamond necklace that you have loaned me to wear to the minister's ball? Yes, very well. Well, I lost it. How is that since you returned it to me? So इस टाइम पे मैथिल्डा बताती है that she had lost the original necklace, and after listening to this, her friend was amazed because she had one necklace. So she asked that, her friend asked that how she replaced the necklace. I returned the another to you, exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. You understand that? It was not easy for us who have nothing. Who have nothing. तो you can understand that मैथिल्डा को पूरे 10 साल लगे ये समझने के लिए कि they are in a condition that they had nothing. But before 10 years she wanted good dress, good food and everything. But it took 10 years to understand Matilda that they had nothing. Ma'am Foster stopped short. She said, "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine?" "Yes." "You did not perceive it then. They were just alike." And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Ma'am Foster was touched and took both her hands as she replied, "Oh, my poor Matilda, mine was false. They were not worth over 500 francs." So actually this is the main twist in the story necklace है ना. Means वो necklace जो था वो डमी necklace था. It was not true diamonds, a fake one. बट मैथिल्डा को ऐसा लगा कि शी इज़ अ रिच पर्सन तो डेफिनेटली ये ट्रू डायमंड्स होंगे और उन्होंने पूरे 36,000 फ्रैंक्स they had arranged it, but originally it was only the cost of that necklace was 500 francs. So it was a something that irony of the story we can say that Matilda and her husband had wasted full 10 years in repaying the loan for something that was of no use. That's why the story is named necklace, है ना? That how the necklace had changed the life of this couple. I hope you had enjoyed this story and learned so many things that we should know in our life. That beauty and beautiful things are not very much important. The important thing is the presence of family member. Okay, students. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Now you can write the question answers. Okay, students. Thank you.